Hey NEET aspirant and future doctors, welcome to our YouTube channel. NEET Guidance, the internet is full of bro science, fake news, half knowledge and wrong information of a propaganda. If you want a reliable, authentic, updated information about the NEET UG courses, MBBS, PDS, PVLC, Ayush and NEET counseling process and admission guidance, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and you never have to go anywhere else again. Hi NEET applicants and future doctors, if you are searching for reliable, authentic and updated information about Karnataka Medical College details, seat matrix, cutoff, fee structure, counseling and admission procedure, bond details and many more, watch this video. Number of medical colleges in Karnataka 2023. In Karnataka, total 69 medical colleges are approved by NMC and participating in NEET counseling. Out of these 69 medical colleges, 24 are government medical colleges, 33 are private medical colleges along with the St. John Medical College and 12 are deemed universities. Karnataka Medical Colleges MBBS seat matrix 2023. In Karnataka, total 9,195 MBBS seats are available in both government and private medical colleges, excluding deemed universities. Out of these total 9,195 MBBS seats, 3,750 MBBS seats are available in government medical colleges and 5,445 MBBS seats are available in private medical colleges, including St. John Medical College, Bengaluru. Out of total 3,750 MBBS seats in government medical colleges, 563 MBBS seats are allotted to the 15% All India quota, 112 MBBS seats are allotted to the insured persons quota from 2 ESIS medical colleges and 3,075 MBBS seats allotted to the Karnataka state government quota. In Karnataka, total 5,445 MBBS seats available in 33 private medical colleges. Out of these 5,445 MBBS seats, 1,823 MBBS seats are allotted to the state government quota. Only Karnataka state students are eligible. 1,598 MBBS seats are allotted to the GMP. Only Karnataka candidates are eligible. 815 MBBS seats are allotted to the open state. All India candidates who are a citizen of India are eligible. 798 MBBS seats are allotted to the NRI quota and 261 MBBS seats are allotted to the others quota. All India candidates who are citizen of India are eligible and 150 MBBS seats available in St. John Medical College, Bengaluru. Apart from this, there are 9 new government seats in deemed university JSS Mysuru. Apart from this, in Karnataka, total 12 deemed universities medical college are approved by NMC and participating in NEET counseling with annual intake of 2,550 MBBS seats. Classification of MBBS seats in Karnataka Medical Colleges 2023. Only UG NEET 2023 qualified candidates who becomes eligible after verification of documents are allowed to participate in the allotment of medical dental seats as per the eligibility and reservation criteria for the respective types of seats, which is detailed in the subsequent pages. These seats are classified into 4 categories, namely, first one is government seat, second one is private seat, third one is NRI seats and fourth one is other seats. In government seats also, there are 3 quotas are there. First one is government quota for general, second one is government quota for Hyderabad, Karnataka, third one is government quota for special category. Government seats means and includes the seats in government colleges and government share of seats in private colleges. 100% of seats in government colleges, remaining seats after 15% All India quota, 40% of seats in case of medical and 35% in case of dental in private non-minority colleges KPCF. 25% of seats in both medical and dental private minority, religious and linguistic colleges, AMPCK and KRLMPCA. Private seats means seats in private colleges and that are divided into KPCF, AMPCK and KRLMPCA. In KPCF colleges, 40% of medical are reserved for private quota. In that 40%, 50% seats are GMP in which only the Karnataka candidates are eligible. Remaining 50% of 40% are open quota seats in which NEET UG All India merit and only the citizen of India are eligible. In KRLMPCA and AMPCK colleges, 55% of a seat reserved as a private quota seats. In that 55%, 66% seats are reserved by the religious linguistic minority candidates. Remaining 34% of above 55%, 50% of GMP seats for Karnataka candidates and remaining 50% are open for all India candidates. NRI seats in KPCF, KRLMPCA and AMPCK colleges, 15% seats are reserved for NRI. Other seats in KPCF, KRLMPCA and AMPCK colleges, 5% seats are reserved for the other state. The seat matrix for all these quotas is as follows. First one, government seats 4,898. Second one, private seats 2,413. Third one, NRI seats 798. Fourth one, other seats 261. Karnataka MBBS seat matrix in private medical colleges 2023. The private medical colleges are divided as below. In that, first one is AMPCK, Association of Minority Professional Colleges in Karnataka. Total intake of MBBS seats in AMPCK medical colleges in Karnataka are 1,150 seats. In that, 25% of a government quota, 287 seats. 55% of AMPCK, 633 seats. 15% of NRI quota, 174 seats. And 5% of other quota, 56 seats. Second, KRLMPCA, Karnataka Religious and Linguistic Minority Professional Colleges Association. Total intake of MBBS seats in KRLMPCK medical colleges in Karnataka are 800 seats. In that, 25% of government quota, 198 seats. 55% of KRLMPCA, 442 seats. 15% of NRI quota, 221 seats and 5% of other quota, 39 seats. Third one, KPCF, Karnataka Professional Colleges Foundation Trust. Total intake of MBBS seats in KPCF medical colleges in Karnataka are 3,345 seats. In that, 40% of government quota, 1,338 seats. 40% of KPCF, 1,338 seats, 15% of NRI quota, 497 seats and 5% of other quota, 172 seats. Karnataka All India Quota MBBS seat matrix 2023. We are providing information about the number of MBBS seats in Karnataka under All India Quota college wise and category wise. In Karnataka, total 563 MBBS seats available under All India 15% quota are given below. St. John Medical College, Bengaluru, MBBS seat matrix 2023 as follows. In this, total number of MBBS seats are 150 and All India General Open Merit seats are 10. Open category Private Medical Colleges MBBS seat matrix in Karnataka 2023. Total 3,472 private quota MBBS seats are available in 33 private medical colleges in the state of Karnataka. in which 815 private MBBS seats in the open category, which are called open quota seats, are open for other state candidates. In this, there is no reservation category for OBC, SC, ST. For other state candidates, all the seats in the open category are allotted according to the merit. Other quota has 261 MBBS seats and NRI quota 798 MBBS seats. Other state candidates can take admission in all those seats and 1598 MBBS seats are allotted to the GMP. Only Karnataka candidates are eligible. We are providing open quota MBBS seat matrix. Total number of open quota MBBS seats in private medical colleges in Karnataka 2023. Other quota seat matrix. Total number of other quota MBBS seats in private medical colleges in Karnataka 2023. NRI quota seats matrix. Total number of NRI quota MBBS seats in private medical colleges in Karnataka 2023. In private colleges, KRLMP-CA, there are 5 colleges, AMP-CK, there are 6 colleges, and in KPCF, there are 21 colleges and 1 minority college. In private colleges, 815 seats are open quota seats, 261 are other quota seats, and 798 seats are NRI quotas. Fee structure of government medical colleges in Karnataka for MBBS course 2023 are given below. In this, the government fees is 59,850 rupees, but it is high for 2 ESIS colleges, that is 1,09,850 rupees. Fee structure of private medical colleges in Karnataka for MBBS course 2023. In this, government quota fees 1,41,196 rupees and for private quota fees 9,94,406 to 10,92,602 rupees. But for some colleges, the fees will be very high. Those are: first one, Khaja Bande Nawaz Medical College, Gulbarga, 16,30,465 rupees. Second, Adi Chunchanagiri Medical College, Beluru, 18,15,500 rupees. Third one, Dr. Chandrama Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Education and Research, Hubballi, 20,15,500 rupees. Fourth one, MS Ramaya Medical College, 22,15,500 rupees. And fifth one, SDM Medical College, Dharwad, 18,75,000 rupees. Minority College, St. John Medical College, Bengaluru, 7,38,380 rupees. NRI quota fees will start from 30,12,450 to 50,12,450 rupees. Others quota fees range 30,12,415 to 50,12,450 rupees. For more detailed information and cutoff, please watch our next video. If you appreciate this video and wish to view further videos, press the subscribe button, like, share and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications. Thank you for watching.